Do you know that you can convert your bitmap images to a vector image where you can adjust the vector images and add some changes like colors to the vector images which you have converted from a bitmap image? First of all, what are bitmap images? Bitmap images are made of pixels, making them suitable for detailed visuals like photos. They are resolution dependent and lose quality when scaled. Common formats include JPEG, PNG, and GIF. On the other hand, you may ask, what are vector images? Vector images use mathematical formulas to create shapes and lines, ideal for logos and illustrations. They are resolution independent. That means they retain quality at any size, however they are scaled. Okay, common examples are SVG formats, Illustrator, any artwork you do on Illustrator or any graphic design package, and the rest. Okay, for you to convert a bitmap image to a vector image, okay, I want to, for example, I convert this to this. Okay, you have seen the difference now. Now, the result of this, we have been able to convert that to this one, which we have been able to add our colors and change the shapes if at all we want to change the shapes and the lines. Okay, let me show you straight to the point how we can do this. Okay, first of all, bring in your design, your vector, your bitmap image from your computer into your Illustrator. After that, go to your control panel at the top of your screen. Your control panel at the top of your screen, you see this image trace. Click once on the image trace. Now, after clicking once on the image trace, go to Windows and activate your image trace panel. This is our image trace panel. Okay, right? So you can move this to any angle of your choice. So let's keep it here for convenience. The next thing you are going to see on this image trace panel is that you will see something like auto color, high color, low color. You see grayscale and you see black and white and outline. Okay, if you click this outline, this is what you are going to see. You click what black and white, this is what you are going to see. If you click this grayscale and the rest, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to stick to these black and white. Okay, the next thing you are going to see on this image trace panel is this threshold. So let's adjust this, let's say 23. You see that the line is decreasing. Okay, you are going to adjust this to the level of your choice. Adjust this to the level of your choice. So let's keep adjusting till it is okay. Now I'm going to leave it at the level of 81 depending on my image. To the top of the control panel again, click on expand. After clicking on expand, right click on the image and select ungroup. After ungrouping this image, you see that each of these elements on this image can be moved. These can be moved and these can be moved to any angle of your choice. So that means you can add colors to this, you can add colors to this. All right, so you can use this for your branding, for your mock-up designs, and for whatever you want. Now let's put the colors that we want for this particular design. Now let's add some color to this our image. I'm going to go with a gradient color. You can go with any color of your choice. You can go with any color of your choice. So let me choose a color like this, and then for this other side, let me choose a color like this. Okay, this is perfect, this is beautiful. And for this particular place, I'm going to go with a yellow color here. And here I think I can go with, let's use white here. And for here I can go with yellow here as well. And you know, for my eye, let's choose red. And for this position, red can still go here. And you've realized that even no matter how you scale this image, the quality is going to retain. The quality is going to retain. With this, you can use this to do your designs on your t-shirt, on your mockups, on your flyer designs, on your banner designs, and it will not lose the quality. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video for others to also see these great tutorials. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video like this, you can also see it. Thank you. See you next time.